This video is how to solve a math problem. Some math problems have to be solved literally. Most people have been taught to do this the old-fashioned way, with paper and pencil. But some people prefer the NERD method, which stands for never ever write it down. And I know you spell write with a W, but then it would be the NUDE method, and that's a different kind of approach. Anyway, the NERD method favors the computational approach to problem solving, in which you code up a general solution to your problem on the computer, and then you use your prior knowledge and Markov chain Monte Carlo methods to iterate your way to a solution that gets printed on the screen, which you then just write down on your paper. This method requires wearing a hoodie and knowing Bayesian statistics and how to translate the problem into code, which might take longer than actually doing the problem by hand, so it's kind of a 50-50 shot at whether this is the right method to use. Sometimes the true problem in a math problem is the emotional problem inside of you. You could write a poem to express your feelings, or take a walk outside in the crisp air, or hold a mother sloth holding a baby sloth to remind you that the world is cute sometimes. Some people suffer from mathemitis, which is the swelling of the math. This happens to some people when certain math problems are exposed to an overworked brain, causing the blood flow to slow down throughout the body. Symptoms for mathemitis include eyes glazing over, feelings of tiredness and apathy, and intense cravings for social media. You can decrease the inflammation caused by mathemitis by trying to get your blood to circulate again. You could also schedule regular dance parties throughout a homework session. This is a really effective way to manage the symptoms. I recommend one dance party about every 15 minutes, but no more than 6 dance parties in any 3-hour period, because you might get addicted to dancing, which will lead you to not finish the math problem, and then it's a slippery slope from there to becoming a professional backup dancer, which is obviously bad, so dance responsibly. If none of that works, sometimes just talking to yourself in accents helps. Slowly scale up the sophistication of your accents. The more intelligent sounding your accent, the more the math problem will make sense. To be honest, this doesn't always help you solve the math problem, but if you keep doing it, you start hearing little voices inside your head telling you what to do. And sometimes it's nice to have friends talking to you for a change. But that's also how you know it's time to put the math problem away and go hang out with a real friend. With a real friend. With a real friend. With a real friend. With a real friend, Bruce Wayne. With a real friend, friend. Friend. When you need a friend, you know a friend, someone to talk to.